My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2015 Mercedes-Benz A-Class. This vehicle has done just over 91,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic wipers. On our screen we can access radio, navigation, smartphone integration and our time. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our AC, which includes heated seats on either side. And as we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim and get a good view of our sunroof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.